Workplace safety is often viewed as a box to check, a set of rules to follow. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we saw safety not just as compliance, but as a strategic imperative that drives our success? Imagine a workplace where safety is woven into the very fabric of our culture, where every employee feels empowered to contribute to a safer environment. This is where the Universal Safety Practices Workshop comes in. It's not just another training session. It's a transformative experience that equips teams with the knowledge and skills necessary to prioritize safety. We delve into essential topics like legal responsibilities, ensuring everyone understands their role in maintaining a safe workplace. This isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about fostering a culture of accountability and care. Ergonomics is another critical area we cover. Did you know that simple adjustments to workstations can significantly reduce injuries and boost productivity? By understanding how to create ergonomic workspaces, we not only protect our employees, but also enhance their performance. Fire risk is a reality in many workplaces, and being prepared can make all the difference. Our workshop includes practical strategies for fire prevention and response, ensuring that everyone knows the protocols and feels confident in an emergency. Workplace violence is a growing concern, and addressing it head-on is crucial. We provide insights into recognizing warning signs and implementing preventive measures. Creating a safe space for open dialogue about these issues is vital for fostering trust and collaboration among team members. Monitoring key performance indicators, or KPIs, is essential for measuring the effectiveness of our safety initiatives. By tracking these metrics, we can identify areas for improvement and celebrate our successes. It's about creating a feedback loop that continuously enhances our safety practices. The Edunyx LMS is the perfect solution for comprehensive training in workplace safety. It offers a flexible, user-friendly platform that allows employees to learn at their own pace, ensuring that everyone has access to the vital information they need. With engaging modules and interactive content, learning becomes an enjoyable experience rather than a chore. Transforming safety from a mere compliance issue to a core part of our company culture requires commitment and action. It's about making safety a shared responsibility, where every individual feels valued and empowered. When we prioritize safety, we not only protect our employees, but also drive our organization toward greater success. So, let's take this step together. Enroll in the Universal Safety Practices Workshop and embrace the Edunyx LMS. Let's make workplace safety a strategic advantage, not just a requirement. Together, we can create a safer, more productive environment for everyone.